idea and summary. So, what it's asking you is, what is the main idea the author wants readers to understand about the substances found in the ocean? So here, you're just going to tell me what is the general idea of what the author wanted you to know. Remember, we highlighted some titles and subtitles and headings to kind of give us a generalization of what we read about, okay, or what we were going to read. So based on what we read so far, what is the main idea of the article? What's the point, okay? Question number 2, summarize the article by stating the main idea and supporting it with 2 different types of substances found in the ocean. Example, salt, calcium carbonate, pyrite, bisphenol A, and chitin and their importance or impact. So I need you to tell me, restate the main idea, and also tell me 2 substances found in the ocean and explain their importance on why they contribute to the ocean life, or tell me their impact. Are they impacting it in a positive way, or are they impacting it in a negative way? Okay? I put an example for the central idea for number 1. The central idea is that the ocean isn't just about water and fish. It's a mix of many natural and human-made substances. Number 2, the ocean is mostly water and dissolved with salt. Many marine animals rely on substances like calcium carbonate to build their shells and bones, which form an exoskeleton. However, materials like BPA are discarded from plastics and break down into microparticles that harm marine life. Those are 2 examples of substances found in the ocean that are tied to what the author wanted us to know. Okay? Do you have a question?
Yeah, both number 1 and number 2 are asking for the main idea. Like, what do I do?
Oh, great. That's a great question. So, Melanie's like, well, this is asking for the main idea, but it's also asking me for number 2, what's the main idea? Am I going to write it twice? Well, question number 1, I just want you to just tell me, what's the general idea? Are you reading about the forest? Are you reading about horses? Are you reading about, types of dogs? What are you reading about? What is the general idea? Question number 2 is you're piggybacking, or you're using that information to justify it, tie it together. So if you're talking about the ocean, what about the ocean? What is it mostly made of? Okay, why are those things important when we talk about the 2 different types of substances? And you get to choose those 2. Okay? That's why I listed them there. So did that answer your question?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Moving on. Please go ahead and turn to the back of the page. The back, you are only going to just tell me your own definition of exoskeleton and hydrothermal. And you should have kind of taken notes on that in your article. Remember how we broke apart? Remember, we didn't know the big word. We saw a little word in between, and we're able to kind of break that down.
Yeah.
And then you're going to find an example within the text. Where can you find your example within the text? Where can you find it? On your notes or in your twig book, okay? Same thing with hydrothermal. Next, context clues. Bisphenol A breaks down into microparticles. Based on the context and the meaning of the prefix micro, what is the difference between a particle and a microparticle? So in this one, you're kind of doing what you did here. You're going to break the word microparticle apart and break it into particle and compare what's the difference. What's a microparticle? What's a particle? Are they the same? What makes a microparticle different from a regular particle? Okay? An example of what I put is the ocean is full of materials for life. Some animals like shrimp rely on substances to form an exoskeleton. However, when we as humans pollute and throw away or pollute the ocean with plastics, that affects the sea animals and damages their ecosystem. Okay? That is all you're doing for the rest of the period. You have the rest of the period to complete this, okay? You get it now?